The thing that I love the most about our home is that Tuscas Homes was able to check all of the boxes on our wish list.
It was exactly what we envisioned. It was the idea that we had in our head. It came to life, and it was better than we even thought. I love the open floor plan of the kitchen into the living room. We loved Tuscas Homes let us put our own mantle in there. That's one of our favorite parts of the house too.
I couldn't be happier with the location we picked here at Maple Shade. It's very close and convenient, whether it's Easton, Bethlehem, or Allentown. There's lots of things to do in the downtown areas. The farmers markets or the sports arenas or the Iron Pigs games or anything like that is always something that we enjoy doing here locally.
There's a lot of families, and we have young children. It just seems like a great neighborhood for our kids to grow up in. The whole process from the start, working with the team at Tuscas was great. Just from when we picked the lot and deciding which lot we wanted, to the floor plan, to the colors. We had an idea of what we wanted the house to look like, and they really helped us make it come to life.
Tuscas Homes is great to work with. All of the employees, all of the subcontractors, everybody that's involved with the process. As soon as you walk through the door at the model, from the time you get your keys at closing, Tuscas Homes is there for you.